Hello, everybody. Welcome to Record Advanced Commission Deposits. So the new darwin.Cloud features for Record Advanced Commission Deposit are to record commissions you received on a property before you close it. And then we're also going to see how we reassign advanced commission to a different property in case it was posted incorrectly. So the reason you would use advanced commission deposit, if you receive commission proceeds and your agent hasn't turned in all the paperwork, which we know never happens, instead of not booking the money received or going to the bank with the check, you can add this commission deposit to the property without closing it. So we're going to start with looking how to record that advance and then how to reassign it. So to start to record an advanced commission deposit, you're going to click on Properties at the top of your screen. You're going to do a search. So you're going to click your magnifying glass and search for the property address you want to add the payment to. And then while you're on that Basics tab, there's a button that says Add Payment with a cute little $sign. And if you click on that, a pop-up will show up that says Create Credit. So here you can indicate the check number, or if it was an ACH or a wire transfer, the date you received the money, the dollar amount you received, and who sent it, either the individual or the title company, however you track that. And you're going to click Save. Once you hit Save, you're going to get a pop-up that says this credit has been applied to the select customer and gives you the payment ID. And you'll just click OK. And once we've recorded that payment on the property, we then have to go to the banking section and make the deposit into Darwin. So of course, to do that, you would go to the banking section, the deposit on the left side of your screen, click the new plus button, and start a new deposit ticket. You choose your company, the bank account, and the deposit date. I know this says write a check, but that's before the programmers changed the label. And then you click Start. And here's our deposit that has been started. We're going to click Add on Deposit, and we're going to select the property that we just added the advance payment to. We'll check off the select box, click Add to Deposit, and there we have our payment on our deposit ticket. And then we will click Post. And there is our posted deposit. Questions so far? Okay. So now we're going to learn about reassigning advanced commission. We're going to go to Properties, click the magnifying glass to search. We're going to search for the property address that has the money on it. And we'll click on that property address to open it. If we go to the Accounting tab on the left side, you will see the receipt for the advance payment in the lower right corner. So there's a hyperlink to this payment. So you're going to click on that hyperlink and you're going to unpost it. Once you click the unpost button and it's unposted, you can click Move Prepayment Hyperlink in the center of the screen. When your search for a property box comes up, you're going to search for the property that the money really should be on. And once it shows up on your screen, you can click that property address. That will open the property. And then we can, oh my, I'm not sure what happened. We're going to go to the post screen. And you're going to be able to see commission deposits paid in advance. So this transferred the money to the new property and it shows on the post screen. So when you go to process this closing, it's going to be looking for $10,000 less than the gross commission because you already have it. And that's it. Questions?
Okay.
I know there's some workflow cases for recording deposits in advance. Like I know you use it with your full service accounting services company, but I would imagine there's some internal reasons that people might do it the same way that you guys do it.
Well, if you, first of all, nobody wants to leave checks laying around in their desk. So if you receive a check for closing proceeds and your agent is on a month-long European vacation and took the signed lead paint disclosure with her, you're not going to be able to process the closing until you get that disclosure. So I would deposit the money on the property and take that check to the bank. I hate to have money sitting around.
And that means if you had a distributed system where like remote offices were getting the checks and depositing them with a scanner thing, then the accounting department who closes stuff in another area would see that the deposits are already recorded and could close out the property, right?
Correct.
Great.
There's even a line item we can add to your dashboards that says pendings with money received. So you'll be able to see which properties have the money already on them.
Yes.
Okay. No other questions?
Let's see. Adam, oh, yeah, there's a couple questions. Go ahead.
Okay, Adam Gamble asked, it disappeared for me. Are you planning to go over how agent commission advances are done?
Well, that's not part of this webinar. I'm not sure if they already did that, but
Remember if that was done or not yet.
Sorry, Barbara. I just thought I'd bring it up. That's no big deal. I don't need to know. I just threw it in there.
I mean, if somebody wants me to go over it, I'll go over it. I'm just not prepared with a slideshow for it. No other questions?
Very simple.
Right. Hi, Nancy.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. We do this here, as you know, since you process all. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, we do.
I've seen that, and it really works wonderfully to not screw up your gross commission.
It really is nice to be able to do that. Yeah, we like that. We do it.
Yeah, 'cause I know sometimes you guys get checks in and you can't process the closing. So, and especially because you do the bank recs, it's nice to have all the money in the bank.
It's nice to have it all there. It makes my bank rec easy. Or easier. I'm not gonna say
There it
easy.
Okay.
Good. I'm good. I don't know about anybody else, but I'm good. Thank you, Barbara.
You're welcome, Nancy. No other questions? Wow. Okay. That's it for the webinar.
Okay. Thanks, Barbara.
Thanks, Nancy. I'll talk to you soon.
Thank you, Barbara.
Okay, thanks,
Thanks,
Barbara.
Adam. Bye. Actually, don't everybody leave. Carrie, I need you actually. In SkySlope, can you map a field that says lender to the mortgage field in Darwin?
And your question you're not giving me enough detail.
In SkySlope, there is a field for other people on the transaction, and you can put in the lender. They call it lending company.
Yep.
If that field is filled in, can we get that mapped to the mortgage field on the vendor partner section?
Yeah, so they just want to use the label mortgage instead of the label lender.
Yes.
Yep, we can change that.
Okay, and then if they fill in the actual title company name, it can be brought in as the title company, because like right now, it's being brought in as the title contact. So it's the person's
Yes.
name with the title company after it.
Yeah, we can separate those.
Okay. Well, it's just account tech on here, right? I think so.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
And a bunch
it's
of
for Levin
navigators.
Rinky.
Yeah, I just did. So we changed that for other people and separated those out for other people. So that's not a problem. Yep.
Okay, and Adam, one thing he did for me with SkySlope was he turned on pulling in the percentages assigned to the
Yes.
agents on the commission tab for Levin
Yeah,
Rinky,
Yeah, that's something recent that we.
which
added.
is working wonderfully. Okay, that's it. Thank you,
So then
everybody.
do they want
What?
all persons that were previously in as lender changed to mortgage as well?
No, because any closings we've done,
Going
we've changed it,
forward.
unless you want to do the pending ones.
Well, no, so I mean, so they come in as people and they come in as the person type lender. So
Correct.
in contacts, they're in as person type lender. Do they want that changed historically for all person types lender to be changed to person type mortgage?
No,
Okay.
thank
So
you.
just going forward, when new people are imported from SkySlope, they'll be imported as mortgage instead of lender.
No, they don't care about the past stuff. The new stuff is
Okay.
all that matters.
All right.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.